How to remove a frame from Facebook profile picture. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Launch your Facebook application from your device and get logged into your Facebook account. If you want to remove the frame from your Facebook profile picture, you have to replace your profile picture overall. To do that, tap onto your menu bar, then tap onto your name. Here tap onto your profile picture. Then you will have to tap Choose Profile Picture. From there, choose any photo that you would like to add as your Facebook profile picture and make sure that you do not add any frame. If you tap onto Add Frame, it will add various frames under your profile picture. So make sure that you don't use this Add Frame option this time. Once done, tap onto Save. And just like so, this is how you can change or replace your frame in your profile picture. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.